So my name is Esther Vidal. I'm a computer scientist, and actually my bachelor was in computer engineering, and then I have a master and a doctoral degree in computer science. So, and I have several affiliations, not only one. I'm currently a professor in the Leibniz University in Hanover in Germany. Also, I'm the head of the research area in the Leibniz Institute of Science and Technology, also in Germany. And I'm a retired professor from the University Simón Bolívar in Caracas, Venezuela. So one of the main challenges is, well, first of all, making the data usable, no? In like addressing quality. We can have many data sources, but when we put them together, they may be contradicting, they may be inconsistencies. One of the challenges is addressing this high level of quality or quality that is expected depending on the area or the application that we are expecting. And then representing the meaning of this data and transforming the data into symbols that at the end can be used to infer what is the semantics, the meaning that these symbols are saying. So that is something that is extremely important in order to enhance not only accuracy of predictive models or any analytical method, but also to enhance interpretability and trustability, because when you can interpret what a system is doing, the trustability in what the system does also may be increased. So those are challenges that definitely need to be addressed in order to enhance the usability of our tools and also how they are adopted. Because we can be developing many different technologies, but if we don't make these technologies in a way that users accept the technologies that we are developing, we are not achieving our objectives. So the semantics is important, and also including the semantics, how the semantics is presented, who are the targets, who are the users that are going to consume these semantics. The European Commission in general has supported the development of many of these technologies, not only in different areas. So in medicine, they have supported many different projects and are supporting many different projects in the different calls that they have in order to provide with the financial support to first put together teams, multidisciplinary teams that are capable of bringing use cases to the computer scientists. So in that case, they are supporting our developments not only from the technical perspective, but from real use cases that are making these technologies to be applicable. So in that case, they are helping to develop the areas, because it's not only that we are trying to have technologies that are accurate or that are efficient, but also that are applicable to real-world scenarios. And also the EU is supporting not only this development, but also that these approaches are in some way transferred to the citizens. So, and in that case, I think that is a perfect opportunity for all the research to be close to the citizens who are at the end supporting the projects in an indirect way, because with the taxes, they are contributing to the funds that we are receiving. So the EU projects couldn't be more supportive to allow us to apply our research to real-world scenarios, and of course, bringing us with new challenges that we couldn't have if we wouldn't be closer to the citizens we are in these projects. So they are fantastic, I will say. That is not easy. And so trying to balance academic world with real world scenarios where probably we are not pursuing the best or the optimal solution. Rather, we are providing something that solves the problem in the way that our users understand the problem and understand the solution. So it's not an easy way to work, but it's at the end giving us the support to understand better the problems that we are tackling, understand better the research that we are conducting, and finally trying to always think that this needs to be transferred either to the industry or to other type of venues. But it's a balance that is necessary when we see an academic researcher needs to be able not only to do basic science, but also thinking how this is going to be applicable. And this is a way in which is defined a professor or a researcher in many places in the world. So it's not easy, but it's part of the definition of what is a researcher. So this year having a very special edition of the SEMANTiCS conference where we could see together more research papers. We could see how the industry was also contributing, and this synergy between researchers, say because they are students who are coming and an understanding the needs of the industry, or also an understanding how things that they are researching can be applicable. So something that I see that I would like to see in the future on these events is this synergy that I'm seeing is unique for the SEMANTiCS conference, but it should be intensified. This has been a very good example that mixing together researchers with industrial partners, the result can be something that at the end will bring excellent outcomes. Yeah.